Alright guys, I got these things on sale here. These are the mighty mushroom bites, so we're gonna cook it up and do a quick taste test. So um, check that out, gluten-free, soy-free, vegan, and here's the nutrient panel. There's only 2 in here, so but as you can see, the ingredients are yellow split peas, mushrooms, water, carrots, coconut oil. So they use peas and then they use mushrooms. So it's mushrooms aren't the first ingredient, and you use a little bit of rice flour. So let's open this up. All right, so here we go. Actually, there's quite a few. There's like maybe 10 in. Yeah, there's 10 in here. So, but they're really small. Yeah, let's cook it up. So here are the mushroom bites, and let's do a quick taste test. There we go. Actually, not bad. Flavor-wise, there's not much. You don't actually taste the mushrooms. Well, I don't taste it. It tastes like more like nuts or seeds, or I don't even know if that's in there. Well, sweet potato. Yeah, that's what it is. Rice flour. I could use a little bit more like spices and like seasoning. I find it's a little, to me, it's a little bland, but it's not bad. So definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.